Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Curry Leaves Idli Podi. This is a very healthy, delicious and spicy side dish recipe that best goes with idlis and dosas. Curry leaves has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces the risk of heart diseases, powerful antioxidant, manages diabetics and kills bacteria. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 2 tablespoons of Urad dal and 2 tablespoons of Channa dal. Dry roast the ingredients in low flame for 5 minutes until you get a nice aroma. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are well roasted. So to this add 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. Again dry roast for 3 minutes in low flame. After 3 minutes to this add 10 dried red chillies and 2 cups of fresh curry leaves. Dry roast for another 5 minutes until the curry leaves are completely dry. Now after 5 minutes we have a very nice aroma. So to this add a small ball sized tamarind and a pinch of hing. Give it a quick mix and off the flame. Allow the ingredients to cool completely. After 10 minutes the ingredients are cool, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add a teaspoon of salt. Grind this to a fine powder. Now a healthy and delicious curry leaves idli podi is ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can use for 3 months time. Serve it with idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy side dish recipe. So do try this curry leaves idli podi recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.